Good morning, students. Today we are saying the phonic sound. A says apple.
A says apple.
B says ball.
B says ball.
C says cat.
C says cat.
D says dog.
D says dog.
E says elephant.
E says elephant.
F says fish.
F says fish.
G says goat.
G says goat.
H says hat.
H says hat.
I says in car.
I says ball.
J says joker.
J says joker.
K says kite.
K says kite.
L says lion.
L says lion.
M says monkey.
M says monkey.
N says no.
M says no.
O says orange.
O says orange.
P says parrot.
P says parrot.
Q says queen.
Q says queen.
R says rabbit.
R says rabbit.
S says sun.
S says sun.
T says tiger.
T says tiger.
U says umbrella.
U says umbrella.
V says van.
V says van.
W says watch.
W says watch.
X says Xmas tree.
X says Xmas tree.
Y says yo.
Y says yo.
Z says zebra.
Z says zebra.
Very good. Thank you.